Let's move on to working principles of commercial dishwasher machines. Key operational phases. Cleaning breakdown. The operation of commercial dishwashers can be broken into several systematic phases, each playing a critical role in ensuring optimal cleaning. Soak and pre-wash. Optional. In some commercial units, there's a soak or pre-wash phase where cooler water is used to rinse off excess food debris, preparing the dishes for the wash cycle. Main washing cycle. This is the central phase where detergent-laden hot water, 140 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, is sprayed at high pressure. This combination of heat, detergent, and mechanical agitation dissolves grease, grime, and food particles from the dishes. Intermediate rinse cycle. Dishes are rinsed thoroughly with pressurized water to ensure any remaining detergent and food particles are washed away. Sanitization rinse. To meet health standards, the final rinse involves very hot water, 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius, or chemical sanitizers to disinfect and sanitize the dishes, ensuring they are safe for reuse. Drying. After the sanitization process, commercial dishwashers often use heated air or condensation, drying to remove any residual moisture from the dishes. Water circulation and distribution systems. Efficient water use is at the core of a commercial dishwasher's cleaning power. Powerful pumps. A central pump drives water into the machine at high pressure, ensuring effective water distribution. This water is forced through spray arms to ensure full contact with all surfaces of the dishes. Multi-tiered spray arms. Commercial dishwashers have rotating spray arms, strategically placed above and below the racks. These arms rotate to deliver water jets from various angles, ensuring even coverage over the dishes. Water recirculation. Most modern commercial dishwashers reuse water through a filtration and recirculation system, which keeps water usage low while maintaining cleaning efficiency. The water is filtered to remove particles and is reused for subsequent wash cycles. Heat generation and management. The ability to maintain high temperatures is a critical aspect of the dishwasher's sanitizing efficiency. Internal heaters and booster heaters. Commercial dishwashers use electric heating elements to raise water temperature quickly. Booster heaters can further raise the temperature for the sanitization rinse cycle to ensure bacteria and pathogens are killed. Heat control systems. Temperature sensors throughout the machine regulate the water temperature to prevent fluctuations. If the temperature falls below optimal levels, the heating system compensates to maintain efficient cleaning. Chemical integration and detergent handling. Chemicals play an essential role in breaking down food residues, oils, and stains. Automated detergent dispensers. Commercial dishwashers use programmed detergent dispensers that release the right amount of detergent at specific points during the wash cycle. This optimizes the cleaning power without wasting chemicals. High-strength detergents. Commercial detergents often have a stronger formula than residential ones, containing alkaline agents to break down grease and proteins. Specialized rinse aids may also be used during the rinse cycle to enhance drying. Water softening systems. For areas with hard water, many commercial dishwashers include a water softener system to prevent mineral deposits from forming on dishes and improve the performance of the detergent. Mechanical force and water pressure management. A key feature of commercial dishwashers is their ability to apply high-pressure water efficiently. Pressure-enhanced cleaning. Water is delivered through a high-pressure system that enhances mechanical cleaning power. The water pressure ensures that food, debris, oils, and grease are effectively removed, even from heavily soiled dishes. Variable pressure control. Advanced machines have adjustable water pressure, allowing the operator to select higher pressure for heavily soiled items and lower pressure for delicate glassware. Advanced automation and control mechanisms. Modern commercial dishwashers come equipped with a wide range of programmable features for efficient, user-friendly operation. Digital control systems. Most machines feature digital control panels that allow the user to select from different cycles depending on the load size and type. Operators can control temperature, cycle time, and drying modes. Sensors and monitoring. Sensors measure water level, temperature, and pressure to ensure the machine operates within optimal parameters. If any deviation occurs, the machine makes adjustments or alerts the operator. Smart systems and IoT integration. Some advanced commercial dishwashers come with connectivity features that allow operators to monitor and adjust machine settings remotely. Real-time data on water usage, energy consumption, and machine performance can be accessed. Water efficiency. Efficiency is paramount in commercial dishwashers, especially given the high volume of water and electricity they consume. Recirculated water systems. Many commercial dishwashers have water-saving mechanisms, reusing filtered water during the pre-wash or main wash cycles to reduce water usage. Energy-saving components. Heat exchangers capture heat from used water and transfer it to incoming water, reducing energy consumption. Insulated materials also help conserve heat during the washing and drying processes. Eco-friendly modes. Some machines offer eco-friendly cycles that use lower temperatures and shorter wash times for less demanding loads, further reducing energy and water consumption. Final drying processes. Commercial dishwashers employ two primary drying methods. Heated drying. Some machines use built-in heating elements to evaporate remaining moisture from the dishes, speeding up the drying process for high turnover environments. Condensation drying. Other machines use cooler air to condense moisture from hot dishes, which is then drained away. This method is more energy efficient but slower than heated drying.